en ni jatend piny Kenya William Ruto ogodhege piny kendo lero ni ne otemo lombo jotend duond buche mamoko mondo mi oyie ti kode piny owacho mare ma Kenya Kwanza gine mane dhi miyo opodnegi lemo e sirikal. Kata kamano duond buche mamoko ne othir ka duto notamore yie kode mak mana duond bura mar ODM. Ruto lero ni onge ogirimiti kinde kod ODM kata matin kupogore kod siro mise mage e piny owacho.
And I said I'm going to consult, and I'm going to talk to people who are willing to talk to me. There are those who did not want to talk to me, and that's fine. That's democracy. There are those whom we sat down and we agreed with, and we agreed on the agenda. What are we going to do? The housing program was in the manifesto of ODM and was in the manifesto of Kenya Kwanza. True? They're all there. The UHC program, it was on both sides of the divide. There are things that are common between us. And my question is, those things that we have no contest about, can we agree on those things and move the country forward on the things that are not in contention between the sides? And that is how we agreed with ODM to work on the broad-based government that captures some of the items that we all agree on. Let me clarify, as the party leader of ODM did, that we did not form a coalition government, so that nobody should tell us we're trying to compromise the opposition. We did not form, we have no formal coalition arrangement. What we have is running an administration on matters that we have agreed, members of ODM who have agreed to come and work with us so that we can put the country first.